Hey guys, welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to claim Optimism Airdrop. If you watched my previous videos, followed me on Twitter or Telegram, then you know that I encouraged everyone to try Optimism because there was a prediction that airdrop will be coming. And here it is, it just arrived last night, and let's claim it. First of all, not only people who tried Optimism before are eligible to claim it. If you used multi-sig wallets, if you used Ethereum, if you voted in some DAO, etc., you may also be eligible to claim it. So make sure to check if you have some tokens assigned to your wallets. And now, in order to claim it, you need to go to a website called app.optimism.io. Of course, you will find a link to this website in the description of this video. So once you go there, you will see a screen as you can see right now. The next thing we need to do is to connect our wallet. So make sure you are logged into Metamask and click Connect Wallet. Once you do this, you have to choose which wallet you want to connect. I'm going to connect Metamask. And then a Metamask window will pop up. And over here, you need to choose which wallet you want to connect and then click Next. And then confirm by clicking Connect. And as you can see, we are already connected. And if you are eligible to claim the airdrop, you will see something like this. So as you can see, I have 776 tokens to be claimed. And I was the Optimism user. But also, like I mentioned, DAO voters, multi-sig signers, etc. are eligible. So make sure to check it and maybe you got some free tokens. At this moment, one Optimism is worth around $1.5, $1.8. So this airdrop is worth $1,500 roughly. So in order to claim it, we just have to click Start Claim Process. Then we will see 3 questions. We need to answer them. And after you answer them, you click Next Step. You have to agree for the constitution and click Continue. And once you do this, you can choose your interest or simply skip this step. And the next one is to set the delegator, so we can delegate our tokens to another person for the votings, or we can delegate ourselves. If you want to delegate someone else, you simply have to find him on the list over here, then click on this person. Let's say I'm going to delegate to this Chris from L2Beat, so I'm going to click on it, click Select as Delegate, and as we can see, it's already selected. And of course, instead of delegating someone else, if you want to do the votings yourself, you can just click Delegate to anyone and then paste your Ethereum address over here and hit Delegate, and then you will delegate your own Ethereum address. So once we do this, we have to click Continue. Then we will see how many tokens we're eligible to get and to whom are we delegating our voting power. It's not our tokens, it's just the power of the tokens for the voting. So whenever there is a vote, we don't have to worry because this person will be voting in our name and he has our voting power. And if we are not connected to Optimism network, as you can see, I'm connected to Ethereum mainnet at the moment. We need to click Switch to Optimism. And then Metamask window will pop up automatically. And over here, we will be able to change it from Ethereum to Optimism basically with one click. So simply let's click Switch Network. And at this moment, our network is already being switched. And as you can see, I'm connected to Optimism now. So once we do this, we can click Claim and Delegate. So first of all, we need to click on the Claim OP. So click over here. Metamask window pops up again. Once it loads, we need to sign the transaction, and this is the transaction of claiming the tokens actually. So after we sign this first transaction, we will already have the tokens on our wallet. So I already click confirm. We're claiming the tokens. The claiming usually takes a few seconds. And as you can see, my tokens are already claimed. So we can move to the second step, which is delegate. So the second transaction will delegate only the votes of our tokens to the person we chose. So if we chose ourselves, then we just click delegate and ourselves will have the voting power. If we chose someone else, we just click delegate, and then this person, after we confirm, will have the voting power of our tokens in the future DAO votings. And as you can see, I already claimed the tokens. I already chose my delegator. And now we can simply click over here, Add to Wallet. Metamask will pop up and we will be able to add our tokens to Metamask so they are visible there. So once the MetaMask window already loads, click Add Token, and already our MetaMask should have our tokens visible. So let me open the MetaMask and let me show you that they are truly there. If we scroll down, we can see that there is 776 OP optimistic tokens. So this is basically how you can claim your airdrop. Check if you are eligible to get it, and let me know in the comments if you managed to get one and how many tokens did you get. And remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.